In Laravel, do you know that you can call your Livewire components directly from the web.php file, I mean from the routes. So here I have a simple route on the slash URL, and here is the, instead of controller I have passed the Livewire components. As you can see, it shows class ports extends components, and here VS Code imported for me. So if we go there, this is the Livewire component. Here you can see this is the Livewire component, and we are just dumping latest post. So if I refresh the page, as you can see, it works fine. So we can import Livewire components inside routes directly.